Hi, it's Chris with Florida Drone Supply, and today we're going to talk about the camera specs on the new Mavic 3 Pro and Pro Cine models. This remarkable drone is packed with all new features, and I'm really excited to tell you about it all. The Mavic 3 Pro and Cine have a triple camera system designed to give the creative user the ultimate lens and sensor combination without requiring additional equipment. Looking at this camera system, the bottom camera is your main wide-angle camera. The main camera is a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with a 24mm equivalent focal length and shoots 20 megapixel photos and 5.1K video at 50 FPS. On the top left is a medium telephoto camera. The medium telephoto camera is a 1 1/3 inch CMOS Hasselblad camera with a 70mm equivalent focal length. This camera shoots 48 megapixel photos and captures 4K at 60 FPS. And finally, at the top right, you have the telephoto, which is a 1/2 inch CMOS Hasselblad with a 166mm equivalent, and it shoots 12 megapixel photos and 4K video at 60 FPS. This camera is incredible, especially for filmmakers and photographers. And with that said, there are many other features included, such as a 12-bit RAW format for photos and videos, a main camera with 12.8 stops, and a new Active Track 5.0 system with improved object tracking, a new Hyperlapse 8K mode, and all the remotes that come with the Mavic 3 Pro all have the built-in screen and are smart remotes. Now we'll head outside and take it for a test run. So there you have it. The Mavic 3 Pro is a powerful drone with more than impressive camera specs. If you're looking for a drone that can capture stunning, cinematic aerial footage at a reasonable price range, the Mavic 3 Pro is definitely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have any questions about this drone or the many others we sell, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.